I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
Lightning. I think just in the realm of like tech and payment platforms and things, I think payment processors are about to find out en masse what Lightning really is. I think this year for adoption of international remittances and merchant payments using the Bitcoin layer as Bitcoin and Lightning as infrastructure to move that capital, I think is going to get out of control very quickly. Yeah. All the geopolitics aside, which we have clearly we've just smashed through that wall like, you know, the fucking Kool-Aid man. Just like, oh yeah, let's do this. Clearly we are in that field, but at the exact same time, I don't think we're very far away from payment infrastructure, remittances, everything you think of as a money app, opening up their connection to Lightning, to Bitcoin. And that is going to change. That's going to change just as much shit, just in a different way. And I am bullish about that.